Welcome to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot at startup funding and investing. Artificial intelligence is a disruptive technology that promises tremendous benefits to the tech industry. Current products will be upgraded to use AI. New products will be introduced from using AI from the get-go. Here's a list of product strategies for AI. AI-based applications that use large language models called LLMs. This could be a chatbot that replaces a traditional user interface. An AI-based network that leverages AI for performance. This could be a solution that gives a more complete picture of the system. AI-based platforms that enable multiple applications using an AI engine. AI-based marketplaces that enable new features for discovery. Marketplaces are ideal for creating and capturing data such as the most popular product in a category. Marketplaces also make matches between a buyer and seller. AI can perform more comprehensive matches and provide the buyer help in finding the right product. AI will find its initial success in creating assistants. An assistant can guide one through a complex process enhancing the user experience. Consider these product strategies for your startup. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start listening to today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.